Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Explorer, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first, you'll make sure your hood's open, and then we'll walk to the passenger side. And then here you should see this reservoir here. This would be where you're going to add your coolant, and make sure you're using the proper coolant. Ideally you don't want to mix different brands and colors. But here's directions to open as well, but just push slightly and open. You don't want to do this while the engine's hot, because it might, be bubbling a little, and it's pressurized typically, these systems, so you don't want poisonous coolant to spray all over you and burn you. But anyways, now that I started opening it, just unscrew, and then in there, whether with just directly from your jug of coolant or with a little funnel if desired, you can just pour right in here till you get to the recommended height, which you can see some indicators here. You want it at least that full. But that's it, and then fill it up. Also double check all your lines or there's no leaks or anything from those, because if you're running low on coolant, always to double check you don't have any coolant pooling somewhere that might be causing you issues. You can now just screw it back on, make sure it's tight, and then follow the lines around, make sure there's no leaks from anywhere from your radiator as well. All the hoses look firm. You can check from underneath your car as well, especially if you've been parked for just a little bit. Make sure it's not dripping any coolant, and also double check you're not confusing any water dripping off your condenser as coolant. But yeah, this is the main area you should be filling up from. If this is all the way empty, again, be sure to double check everything, make sure you're not overheating your engine. Double check all the lines are firm. And worst case, if you're worried, just have a technician look at it and make sure everything's good. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.